Hello guys, good day. Here we are again. My name is Brent Paul Macasilhig and now we're at our robotics module 1 assessment 4. So the problem is we should have potentiometer. Using a potentiometer, control the resistance of a LED. Turning the knob will increase and decrease the frequency of the LED blinks. So the materials to be used are Arduino Uno, USB A to B cable, breadboard half size, one LED 5 millimeters, 220 ohms resistor, and one potentiometer which is 10,000 trim pot and jumper wires. Okay, so let's now start. Uh, we should use Arduino Uno. Okay, let's put it here. After that, on the breadboard. After that, the LED, the resistor convert to 220 ohms. And then the potentiometer. Okay, so now we have everything. So we'll now just align. So we'll put it here. Same thing we did with the previous assessments. We should put it here. Okay. After that, we should have connect this connect the terminal 1 to the negative sign, and then the negative sign will be connected to the ground. Okay. I think this will do it. We will convert the colors to black. After that, the LED we will line it up with what you call this color of a number of 11. We'll put it there. Afterwards, we shall change the color to red because we have the red color. And then let's put the potentiometer here. Okay. After put that here, the first terminal will be connected to the negative. Change that one to black. Next, the second terminal will be connected to the positive side, and then the positive side we need power. So we will come here and then go to the 5 volts again. And then afterwards, this one, the wiper, we will connect that one, I guess, here in wait, any of these 6 analogs. Okay, I will choose 4, I guess. We'll choose orange because it's closer to red. Alright. After that, I think we're ready to go. So let's just put this on code. So let's erase this all first. And then let's start by defining things. Define LED connected to the number 11. Okay. Next, hashtag define PM. What we use number here in analog A4. Okay. After that, we should have the integral sensor value equals to 0. After that, we shall have the void setup. Pin mode. Still using the LED output. After that, let's go on to void loop. Then sensor Value equals analog read. Hmm. And then we should read the PM value, which is connected to A4. Okay. PM, then semicolon, digital right. I guess let's go. LED high, semicolon, delay. Let's base that on the sensor value. Remember, because the potentiometer, that's called for the PM. So here, and then the sensor value is is put it what is the reflecting number, or what is the reflecting value for the knob that we will choose later on. Okay, so always remember that. Then copy, digital right, LED, but this time low, semicolon, delay, sensor right, sensor value, I mean. Then that should do it. I guess we're finished coding. Then let's start. Okay, now let's observe. I guess you can see there's no change. There we go. There is what you call this, minimal blinking, right? And then that's how fast the blinking is. If we move farther away from the left side, you can observe that it is much more visible because the delay is much longer than the previous one. If you move another, there we go. The delay is much longer. And then there, until there will be no such thing as, wait, oh, I see. Until you can definitely observe that there is much of a bigger difference in delays between the potentiometer. Okay, so now our task is complete. So using a potentiometer, control the resistance of a LED. So I guess that's all for this module 1 assessment 4 for the robotics. Thank you guys for listening. Goodbye.